One of the most challenging things now that you have in design is that you need a lot of data to inform and develop your designs. So you really need all this data back in the teams to inform and evolve the design. Normally, when you're designing for scale, you're going to have them around the world. So you need very powerful tools to actually make sure that you are able to bring the work forward without losing the edge of creativity. When you're pushing for creativity, you tend to work in very small teams, but then when you bring it to scale, you lose part of that because you become like a factory. So I think that the tools that designers are looking for now are the tools that can combine these two things. You're not just looking at the surface, at the immediate outcome of design. You're actually looking at how you're shifting, how you're creating a new culture, so design can happen again and again and again, and you don't get just one product right, but you get all your products right.